Important news for you, my friend. Fear grid index so low on BTC 11, on Ethereum 22. Honestly, I don't remember such a low grid index for so big period of time. At this moment, let's discuss what we can trade the next, because at this moment we clearly inside in downward trend. I remind you, in previous analysis, I warn you that at this moment we are in downtrend, and in the case of some pullback, we should take a short trade. What about right now? What we should do? Let's cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Ripple. Regarding BTC, on previous analysis, I remind you, I told you in the case of any pullback, we take short. At this moment, key resistance for BTC is the same. It is around 100K, 101K, because as you can see, it is area from which price bounced several times. Additionally, it is a start of this low volume node on volume profile. Often value, as you can see, we have a big composite value. Often value become powerful support resistance, as it was here, because this stuff works also on a smaller time frames. You can see how value area low became powerful resistance here. The same here at 101, it is the best resistance area, and it is a golden place to take short trade. Right now, price in the middle of this downward structure. Honestly, it is a horrible place to take any kind of trades, because it is too fast to take long, because honestly there could be so many lower lows that you will be liquidated many times, and it is hard to take short, because at any moment price could take range high. And that's why what I highly recommend you to do, we wait for clear range to be created, and after that we take short. At this moment, we have two key areas where we can take a trade. First area, it is around 100K. And second area, it is a start of this local range. If this local range will be extended, it also could become as a powerful resistance. What would be the best confirmation to take a trade? Of course, the best would be if at that moment there would be significant trapped open interest. Let me show to you how it would look like. It is the same as we took a trade on Ripple so many days ago. It's like this one. When price reach range high, and during that moment, we have massive rise in open interest without result, and price create a range. That would be just the best confirmation to take significant short on BTC. Uh, Something like this. You can see 20% of open interest. At that area, it was approximately 250 million worth of position. Someone put so much money in tiny area. And after that, boom, significant drop. Again, significant rise in open interest range, boom, significant drop. The same with BTC. Imagine price reaches this area and we face beautiful absorption. Just amazing to take significant short trade. What about other top coins? Let's discuss about them. Before, I have a great news for you. With my team, we decided that we start a Black Friday, and we start our Black Friday tomorrow. You can buy our services with 50 and 70% discount. You can join as our community where we share trading plan signals, as also taking education courses where we work with students face to face. What's a unique proposition with our team? You can take lessons with my teammates where my traders will work with you face to face. In most cases, when you take education, you buy some courses that recorded and you never touch those people. With our people, you can even trade crypto or indexes sessions. That's beautiful. That's why below this video there would be such a link. Fill the form. Write your name, choose a country. For example, if you let's assume you're from Argentina, write your number internationally, write your email to book your place to receive all of this stuff. Let's go to other top coins. And discuss with you what potentially could be the next. What regarding Ethereum? Ethereum at this moment correlate to BTC a lot. I think you saw it. From my point of view, we have two key resistance areas at this moment on Ethereum. First resistance area, it is 32.48. It is a beautiful place because with bigger chance it will create a new value, and that new value area high could be a good resistance. And second, it is of course around 3650. It is this key area. It is this local swing high from which price did significant drop. Also, you can see price bounced it several times. And additionally, I think if price would move into that area slowly, VWAP could reach that area, and it would be additional confirmation. You can see last time VWAP played out good resistance because price broke out from value. When price inside in value, price moves around VWAP. When price started trend, VWAP often become powerful support resistance. That's why, honestly, I would be very happy to see rise to 3650 because it would be a way better place to take significant short. Regarding Solana, Solana at this moment, it is too late to take any short because Solana took first important key level. You can see it is this one, swing low 125. Price bounced before it. Honestly, at this moment, I also would be happy to see some range and only after that to take short. Minimum what I expect from Solana is to drop below 95. But the most important question, how it would happen, because in some cases you can see what they do when downward trend starts. They move really rapidly, really fast. But even here you can see before last reversal, what they did quite significant range. And only after that they took additional range low, and only after that reversal. Even right now, I think best reversal would be a price grade range, significant drop, and after that, finally we create bigger range or even reverse. Ripple stronger compared to many other coins. Ripple, you can see rejected from range high. Ripple, at this moment, I also would wait for some range to be created to take short. I be honest with you, I tried to take long here at Ripple at range low. I failed because Ripple stronger. Compared to many other coins, they lost their value and they are far from value. Ripple still holds this value. It's really insanely strange. BNB, key area for short would be around 1010, 1025. It is a key area for short. About all other coins, Hyperliquid at this moment looks even stronger compared to entire market, but it would be way better to take long in the case of reaching this key zone 33. If price would make significant drop with massive liquidation here, it would be the best place to take long. Key resistance, it is 49. In the middle, we also have additional middle level. It is this local range high. But it would be difficult to trade it. I don't like inside levels so much, only if there would be some massive open interest absorption. Only in that case it would be possible. It's nearly the same as it was when we last time traded hype. It was exactly here. Let me show to you. In the middle, it's only possible when we have something like this. Beautiful range, massive open interest absorption. You can see open interest at that moment increased by 10%, which is a lot. And after that beautiful drop, only in that case it will be possible to take something in the middle. That's why if I would like to summarize to you, on BTC, we wait for range to be created or for a pullback to 96 or 100K to take short. Most of the market would follow. Enjoy the ride. Trend is down, and book your place to get a massive discount to join our community or education. And right now, I prepared for you a beautiful video lesson about our strategies based on open interest. Why I highly advise you to watch this video, because you will understand difference between different strategies, how to use them for your benefits. Have a good day. Bye.